Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer EV diagnostics using Car Scanner ELM327, full guide step by step clearly. Open your Car Scanner app on your smartphone. Ensure your ELM327 device is properly connected to your vehicle's OBD2 port. Turn on your vehicle's ignition, but do not start the engine. Once the car is on, navigate to the Bluetooth settings on your smartphone. Pair your smartphone with the ELM327 device. After successfully pairing, return to the Car Scanner app. Select the Connect option within the app. Wait for the app to establish a connection with your ELM327 device. Once connected, you will see the vehicle's information displayed on the screen. Navigate to the Diagnostics menu within the app. Select the type of diagnosis you wish to perform. The app will outline the various systems available for diagnostic scans. Choose the specific system you want to diagnose, such as the engine or transmission. Initiate the diagnostic scan by pressing the appropriate button. The app will communicate with your vehicle's onboard computer. Wait for the scanning process to complete. Once finished, the app will display any trouble codes found during the scan. Take note of these trouble codes for further analysis. If you wish to view the live data, select the Live Data option from the menu. This will display real-time information from your vehicle's sensors. You can customize which parameters to monitor during this live data session. To save your diagnostics, navigate back to the main screen. Select the option to export or save your diagnostic report. Choose your preferred format, such as PDF or CSV. Remember the location where the file will be saved on your device. After saving, you can analyze the report at your convenience. If needed, consult the manual for your specific vehicle model for further details on trouble codes. This comprehensive guide ensures you can successfully transfer EV diagnostics using Car Scanner ELM327. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.